once-in-a-generation winter storm crippling America is now a national emergency.
Have you ever woken up on a cold day with the urge to bake something heartwarming? I know I have. I just happened to have the ingredients in my fridge for what seemed like a good idea at the time. So here's a video for all of you non-bakers out there needing a little bit of grace this holiday season.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
This recipe was inspired by a classic Puerto Rican pastry called Quesitos, or little cheese, usually filled with sweet cream cheese. But because I was feeling the holiday spirit, I decided to make lots of Christmas flavor fillings. So the following is not meant to be a recipe video, but it's more about sharing a little bit of what's going on in our kitchen this time of year. However, the sweet fillings that you see here would actually be good on anything, even on this crescent dough.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, so I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
So I think this was an epic fail, mainly because I got the wrong pastry for this. It was supposed to be flaky. It is still tasty, I think, but let's see what Nabal says.
Alright, so Maria finished baking, and they look pretty good. She said it was a fail, but I think they look pretty good. So you can't see the filling too well, but it's in there.
Has Coco Lopez in it.
Yeah, it has Coco Lopez, cream cheese, and a bit of sweetened toasted coconut. So let's give this a try. It has good coconut flavor. It does not taste like a quesito.
No?
No. It tastes like bread with kind of like a coconut filling. But it's good. Like it's good flavor. I'm not opposed to bread, but if I were to present this as a quesito to somebody that's had quesito, they'd be like, yeah, that's not a quesito. So, but it's good. Good flavor. And some milk to cleanse the palate. All right, let's go with the chocolate peppermint one. So this is the peppermint chocolate one. Again, it has the shape of a quesito, but it's not. It doesn't really look like a quesito. But let's give it a try anyway. I like the crunchy bits of peppermint candy on this one, and the chocolate goes really nice with this. So it's like a choco pan. But that peppermint's a really nice addition to this one. So I really do enjoy this one a lot. Good chocolate flavor, and it has that nice peppermint at the end. And last one, the one that I'm most excited to try is the orange walnut. Let's give this one a try. The orange comes out nicely in this one. So you get that nice citrus flavor to it. I really do enjoy it. I think in terms of if you're looking for very strong flavor, then obviously you would probably go with the chocolate peppermint because of the peppermint, right? This one's really nice if you like that citrus note in it. I really enjoy this one. And then yeah, if I were to rank them, I would go orange walnut, chocolate peppermint, and then lastly the coconut one. Just because the coconut is a little bit more subtle. But yeah, this one's really good.
This one's the original.
This one's the original, so this is kind of like
just cheese and sweet cheese.
Sweet cheese? Okay. The cheese flavor is very on point. So yeah, this one does taste like the quesito cheese. It's just the pastry itself. So, I mean, it's still great. What do you guys think? Like, how close do you believe these quesitos are to what you know? Have you tried quesitos before? Like, is there a pastry similar to what I just described in your culture? Let us know in the comments down below. You know, we'd like to see what you guys have for pastries during the holidays, and maybe we could try to make some, right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Good job. Hey, happy holidays. And mommy, you're asking for way too much.